Here we go. We're gonna penetrate the lake. Full penetration by John Massey.
Do I keep the visor on?
Yeah, you gotta have a hat with Sleepy Hollow logo.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared, there's nothing but turtles and koi over there. There might be some rocks on this side though, you know?
I think I'm gonna go in from over here.
Yeah, from closer from the wall will be the right one.
With the ball on the green.
Alright, shake that ass.
Boy.
Look at all this water. That's him. Go in. Here we go. Triple salto. He's going in. He is going in. Ha ha ha. How is the water, John?
It's surprisingly warm.
Yeah, it's gotta be nice and warm, man. Oh yeah. Can you reach to the bottom like where you are or no? Not so much, huh? Holy shit. That's nice.
It's a little deeper than I am tall.
Yeah. Oh, this is gorgeous.
Just another day at the hollow.
Another day at the hollow. Yeah. You gonna make it to the other side?
Oh, I'm fine. Don't wreck your phone though.
No, yeah. I'm gonna hide it just now. Yeah, it's starting to get really wet. All right, wave one last time, Johnny. Cool.